How do you make a copy on your HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E? First of all, this printer has two different scanners that can help you make a copy. One scanner glass over here. If you want to input a document on it, you're going to take it, you're going to place it facing down, and preferably with the top part of your document towards the left side, like this, facing down. And then to align it, we simply have to push it on the top left corner. Okay, make sure the top left corner of the document touches the top left corner of the scanner. And then you can close the scan lid. If you want to use the automatic document feeder on the top that can scan multiple pages, up to 35 pages, you're going to take your stack of paper. Here I only have two, but again, could be 35 pages. Align them. Place your document, okay, don't forget to open these tabs on each side. Place your document facing up with the top part of your document towards the left side. Glide it in between these two guided, just like that. You can also open the flap so that the paper doesn't come flying over your desk. And now let's go on the display of your printer. Here on the main menu, you're going to have copy has the second option. Select document copy. And then we're going to have a few different things we can change. Most people will only be interested of changing the number of copies. So you can press the plus or minus to add or subtract copies. But there's a bit more to choose here. The color mode, if you want black and white copy or color copy, quality, just leave it to normal. Unless you're trying to copy a picture, something with high details, in that case, I'll click here and I'll select best, but otherwise don't mind this. If you want more settings, you can click this button in the middle and you're going to have many more things you can change. Most people will not change anything and it will give you good results. So yeah, you can also leave it the way it is. At the end, press the green button and it will start scanning. One by one, your page will be taken. You can extend. And while it's taking the pages, it will also start printing. Here we go. We got our copy of the document we have input. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.